we're going to put salt in the water for pasta. Okay? Just how you know if it's enough salt for your pasta? You have to taste. You just put your finger. Oh, feeling of salt is decent? Okay. Don't have to be too much. Not like seawater. Below. I suggest for health, again, to use rock salt, Himalaya salt, not chemical salt. Then now, we're going to throw the fettuccine pasta. Fettuccine, it's a pasta that goes with a lot of non-veg sauce. Usually bolognese also. Bolognese can be made also of ducks and birds mixed together, which have a good flavor. Some livers as well. There is a veg bolognese that can be made with soya. Always bolognese have to have very good red wine inside, like Cabernet Sauvignon, like Shiraz, and all in the marination. And in this case, we are doing a fish pasta. So we throw in the pasta in the water. And we now stir it. Just to cook for 3-4 minutes. And then we'll toss the pasta in the sauce. So look of the fettuccine, beautiful. Oh, I know they're cooked. They should be relaxed. Pasta should be more relaxed. Now it's fresh, so it takes less time. If you dry your pasta on the open air, it will take a little more time, like 6-7 minutes. Fresh pasta, 4-5 minutes is done. I don't suggest you can freeze this pasta, it will break, but you can dry it on the open air if you have a good weather. So I'm putting the pasta inside the sauce and taking the sauce closer. I'm using the tongs, but you can use a strainer, of course. See, tongs are needed not only for chapati, they're needed for a lot of cookings. It's your hand in the kitchen. So if you learn how to use them, you are already 50% of the cooks. So we are mixing the sauce. I'm tossing like pasta, what the Italians do, typically like playing ping pong. Let's see, the color is coming. Of course, what to do now? You don't want to dry your pasta, so you're going to put some pani, water, in the pasta. Put this off. Again, mix. Oh, good. Very fusion smell. Last thing we need to do now is to chop some parsley. Again, to do the final. So it's very important the pasta with fish will have herbs at the end. Okay, we have done it. Now we are ready. With a knife, you put your herbs, your parsley, your coriander, whatever you like, your basil inside the pasta. I'll give a last twist. And then, wow, bringing up all the sauce. And this is a very, very incredible fusion, Puttanesca. So bulky, we're going to plate as a family plating all together in the middle of the plate and the sauce on top. Nice. There you go, fettuccine puttanesca, ready. Said and done.